Remembering chords is obviously an essential part of playing guitar, and funnily enough, remembering the chord shapes actually has more to do with your subconscious memory, which in this case is muscle memory, than it does with your actual memory. Alright, it sounds weird, but think about it. If you drive a car or tie your shoelace, you don't have to remember how to do it, you actually just do it because the motions involved have been programmed properly into your muscle memory. Now it's exactly the same with the guitar. In order to get to that place though, you just need to put in a little bit of work to help you get that sorted. So let's look at a few pointers. First of all, don't try and learn too many chords at once. You can only program a certain amount of moves into your muscle memory at any time, so just stick with 2 to 3 chords at a time. Then it will also help if you know what your dominant learning style is, whether it's visual, auditory or kinesthetic. Now what that means, if you're a visual learner, then you might want to have some images of the chord shapes as you're practicing them so you can see them. You might also want to refer to those shapes during the day, when you're not at the guitar, and also try and picture the chord shapes in your mind's eye, both the shape the way it looks on paper as well as what it looks like when you're actually fretting the chord. If you're an auditory learner, then you might want to pay more attention to the way the chords sound. A D major chord sounds very different to an E major chord. So start making those connections between the chord shapes, what they look like and what they sound like. Alright, so that'll make a big difference for you. Now, if you're a kinesthetic learner, you obviously want to pay more attention to the way the chords feel. A D major chord only covers 2 frets on the guitar and 4 strings.